Welcome to this lesson on electric motors. In this video, we'll explore one of the most important inventions in modern technology, devices that convert electricity into motion. Electric motors are all around us, powering everything from the fans in our homes to the vehicles on our roads. Let's discover how these remarkable machines work by harnessing the power of magnetism. An electric motor is a device that converts electrical energy into mechanical motion using the force created by magnetic fields. In simpler terms, it takes electricity from a power source and uses it to create movement. This transformation happens through the interaction between electric currents and magnetic fields, which work together to produce rotational motion that can power countless machines and appliances. The fundamental principle behind electric motors is surprisingly elegant. When a current-carrying conductor, such as a wire with electricity flowing through it, is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a force. This principle was discovered through the work of scientists studying electromagnetism. The force pushes or pulls the conductor, and this is the key mechanism that creates motion in an electric motor. This interaction between electricity and magnetism is what makes motors possible. An electric motor consists of four key components working together. First, the stator, which is the stationary part containing permanent magnets that create a fixed magnetic field. Second, the rotor, which is the rotating part equipped with wire coils that spin inside the stator. Third, the commutator, a clever device that reverses the direction of current at just the right moments. And fourth, the brushes, which are conducting contacts that deliver electrical current to the rotating rotor. Each component plays a crucial role in converting electricity into continuous rotational motion. Let's walk through how an electric motor actually works. In step 1, electric current flows from the power source through the wire coil in the rotor. As this current passes through the coil, it creates an electromagnet. Remember that whenever electricity flows through a wire, it generates a magnetic field around it. By coiling the wire, we concentrate this magnetic field, creating a powerful electromagnet within the rotor itself. In step 2, the electromagnet we just created in the rotor now interacts with the permanent magnets in the stator. Here's where the magic happens. Opposite magnetic poles attract each other, while like poles repel each other. The rotor's electromagnet is either attracted to or repelled by the stator's permanent magnets, depending on the orientation of the poles. These attractive and repulsive forces work together to push and pull on the rotor, creating the initial movement. Step 3 is where we see the result of these magnetic forces. The combination of attractive and repulsive forces between the rotor's electromagnet and the stator's permanent magnets causes the rotor to rotate on its axis. The rotor begins to spin, and this rotational motion is what we harness to do useful work. However, without an additional mechanism, the rotor would only complete half a turn before the forces would balance out and stop the motion. This brings us to step 4, where the commutator plays its crucial role. As the rotor completes half a rotation, the commutator reverses the direction of the current flowing through the rotor's coil. This reversal flips the poles of the electromagnet. What was previously the North Pole becomes the South Pole, and vice versa. This reversal is perfectly timed to happen just when the rotor reaches the halfway point, ensuring that the magnetic forces continue to push the rotor in the same direction rather than pulling it backward. Finally, in step 5, we achieve continuous motion. The commutator continues to reverse the current direction every half rotation, which means the rotor's magnetic poles keep flipping at precisely the right moments. This creates a continuous cycle where the rotor is always being pushed forward by the magnetic forces. The result is sustained, smooth rotation that continues as long as electrical current is supplied to the motor. This elegant solution allows electric motors to convert electrical energy into reliable mechanical motion. Electric motors have become indispensable in modern life, appearing in countless applications. They power electric vehicles, providing clean transportation. They drive industrial machinery in factories and manufacturing plants. They're found in home appliances like washing machines, refrigerators, and vacuum cleaners. They enable precise movements in robotics and automation systems. They circulate air in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. And they provide the force for power tools that we use in construction and maintenance. From the smallest devices to the largest machines, electric motors quietly work behind the scenes, converting electricity to motion and making our modern world possible.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.